What up YouTube, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. Back up in here with an awesome review today. Check out what I got. You won't believe it. Well, you will believe it because the box is right here in front of you, see? I got the Galaxy Note 20, not the regular Note 20, but this right here is the Ultra. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get this product popped open. We're gonna see what's popping on the inside. Let's see what we think about the Note 20 Ultra 5G, man. Just got in the mail today, pre-ordered that thing, ready to see what's up with it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as you can see, beautiful black box. This phone right here doesn't come in a lot of options, you know, because I was actually hoping to get the bronze phone. Oh, that phone's beautiful, but it only comes in the regular size. It's only the Note 20, not the Ultra, so I had to get this black one here. But this black one is beautiful too. It has all the memory. I believe it's 512 gigabytes of memory. A lot of memory. And you're gonna need that. I mean, all of these apps are so data hungry, memory hungry. You just need the most that you can get with the availability of software and just what's out there today. You just wanna have the most memory that you can. All right, so I'm gonna pull this baby up out of here. As you can see right here, beautiful. Let me just look at that. Look at the camera. So as you can see, it still bulges out, just like the Galaxy S20, but I already ordered my case, and the case is gonna come out 1 millimeter above this camera housing, and that should give me all the protection I need. It's gonna be 1 millimeter as well over the front of the phone, so I'm hoping that that's just enough that I can keep my phone protected, you know what I'm saying? So right here on the back of the box, as you can see, you have your little key, which is used to pop open the compartment where your SD card and SIM card goes. And if I'm not mistaken, this phone does have an SD card slot. It does have expandable memory, but let me just be sure. Okay, so we're gonna pop that open like so, pry that up like that. Voila, there you go. All right, so, oh man, this phone is unlocked, so I gotta call Sprint to request a SIM card. Oh, I forgot all about that. All right, so I'm gonna do that as soon as I finish up here. But this right here is the compartment where your SIM card goes as well as your SD card. So that's good, that's good. I'm gonna pop that back in place and let's go ahead and feel around a little bit. Right here, as you can see, we have our S Pen. I mean, it actually looks the same as the traditional S Pen. Right here, I have my Note 8, and are there any obvious differences between the two on the outside? This one definitely does feel a little heavier. So it's packing some technology in here. It's packing something in here because you can feel the difference. It doesn't have the Samsung logo on the side as the previous model, which is from the Note 8. So that's another thing. But who cares? It's gonna be stuck inside the phone, so none of that even matters, okay? All right, so it feels good though. Yeah, everything feels pretty solid. Not really much of a difference in the feel of things. It feels better, it feels more sturdier as far as the way the button feel is compared to the previous one. Let's see. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Well, a few things real quick that I do notice is you only have your USB-C port, unlike the previous models. Now the Note 10, I believe, is when they first started implementing the USB-C port only. As you can see, it's still the same thing in here. And before we get into this phone, let's finish unboxing the box just to see what else is in this box, all right? So, all right, so there you go. You got your super fast charger, okay? This ain't super fast, all right? It's gonna charge your phone like crazy fast, all right? So let's see what this thing putting out. This thing right here is saying output of 3 amps, 3 amp output. Oh yeah, this baby is really kicking it out of there, okay? Your traditional chargers are usually probably about 2.5 or 2 amps, 3 amps. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Same charger as the Note S20 or the Galaxy S20. All right, so here's your charging cable right here, and it looks plenty long. All right, so as you can see right here, or maybe it's just coiled up a little tighter, but we got our cable and we have our charging block. Other than that, you're not getting anything else with this cell phone like you're used to, okay? You can forget about the AKG headphones and all that other stuff. You're paying more money just for the phone, and you're getting a lot more too, okay? So let's turn this thing on. Hopefully we got a charge. Let's see. There we go. So we're not gonna get too far with turning this baby on because I don't have a SIM card in here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna block a lot of things that we're normally used to when you're turning your phone on and letting it start up. But let's just get started and see where we go. See where we go with this thing. But yeah, if you get an unlocked phone, of course, you know, you gotta contact the carrier, let them know you got an unlocked phone, the model and whatnot, and they get you a SIM card sent out super fast, like ASAP, all right? Got a Sprint store local also to here, which I may hit up and see about them providing me with a SIM card, which is what I might see about getting done. All right, but in the meantime, let's just continue on with this phone. As you can see though, the display on this baby is just amazing. Look at it, it just goes wall to wall. I mean, there's like no wasted screen space on here. Everything is screen. As you can see right here with the previous Note though. Let's see. Well, this here is actually the Note 8, okay? So a lot has changed since then. But just to show you the difference and how they take advantage of all this space, look at that. I mean, they're really encompassing, using everything there is to be used on the screen of this phone. They're not wasting anything. Unlike these other phones, you know, you got all of this black around the edge. You know, they faking it on the previous phones, but you know, we're really getting it right now, okay? Let's go and hit next. Go English, insert SIM card to access network functions. As I said, I gotta take care of that guy, so never mind that. All right, check out some info to get started. Terms, privacy, sending of data, information, linking, next. I agree to all these things here. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi, of course. It's already detected, so we're gonna get started with that. Netgear, there we go. Let's continue. All right, so your phone's gonna start checking for updates, you know. And there, from what I've been reading around, there's some massive updates that Samsung has put out, mainly to do with the brain fart. I can't think of what it's for, man, but you just get online, you check it out. Big update for Samsung Note 20 is out there. Everybody's talking about it. Some functions that I guess it came from the factory and wasn't addressed, and they're addressing it now with a massive update. All right. So it's giving me the option to transfer apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. All right, so it's installing Smart Switch. That's going to enable me to switch from my old device to my new device. It's going to let me get all of my information, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's good to make sure you're using the cloud services on your phone. Don't just not sign into your Google account. Whatever account you got that syncs to the cloud, use it. It's going to make the transition into a new phone so much easier. So definitely take advantage of that. All right, so we're gonna do this wirelessly. It gives us the wireless option. All right, search for nearby devices using high frequency audio. You can get Smart Switch from Play Store. So I need to open up the Smart Switch app on this phone right here, in which I'll go ahead and do so. I'm still engaging the services. All right, I got Smart Switch. We're gonna bring your data to your new phone. What should this phone do? We're gonna send data, connect wirelessly, cancel. Oh, that's, man, you can actually hear the noise that it's emitting. It's crazy. Technology these days is something else. All right, we're gonna allow this connection to the Note 20. All right, so as you can see, it's transmitting data from one phone to the other. All right, so that's the advantage, guys, of keeping your stuff up to date. Don't just get a smartphone and let it be dumb. Let that thing be smart. All right, let it be smart. Let it update, let it upload your information into the cloud, okay? All right, so we're choosing what to bring over. Check your new Galaxy phone to select content to send. Now we're just waiting for everything to get transferred over, and man, unboxing is just so simple, man. There ain't really much to it. The phone feels dope, it feels real good. I'm gonna come back to you with some more content, so just stay tuned. So I had to run to the Best Buy store, and I had to run to the Sprint T-Mobile store. As you know, this is an unlocked phone, so I had to go get a SIM card kit. All right, so previous to the merger, when it was just Sprint, these kits cost $7. Now, if you call Sprint, you order your phone unlocked from Sprint, it's free. But now that it's T-Mobile, it's $10 for a SIM card kit. So be prepared to have to foot that $10. You're gonna need SIM card D. You're gonna need the letter D for the Samsung Note 20. So be prepared for that. All right, so we got our SIM card here. We're gonna pop it in. As you know, you use your little SIM tool, this right here. That's gonna allow you to push it in there and pop the SIM card holder out so that you can put your SIM card in there. So let's pop the SIM card out, right so. And the SIM card goes in right there. Let's see. Pop it out the little frame right there, guys. See that? There you go, that's your SIM card there. So we're gonna pop this here, like so. All right, so that's your SIM card in place. So we're gonna stick this back in here, like so. And then your SIM card is now in place. So now let's turn the phone on, and it's gonna automatically restart now that we have a SIM card inserted. I'm pretty sure it is. As you can see, it's recognized as Sprint. So most phones would restart after reapplying a SIM card, but looking like this one right here is good to go. Service product update, your device will restart to configure features supported by the new SIM card. So the device is gonna restart as I said. So, all right guys, so while I was doing that, we're gonna take a look at some of these accessories you can accessorize your Note 20 with. What I have here is I have the OtterBox Defender Pro. This case right here, I also ordered the case from Amazon. It's a just a little back cover. It doesn't come with a belt clip, but it has a kickstand on it. And it was only $17. This thing right here was 50 freaking bucks, all right? Luckily with Best Buy, I had a credit, so I used that $35 credit to go toward my purchase. And I also got me a InvisiShield screen protector, all right? So we got a screen protector. And what I like about this case here is it allows you to still showcase the beauty, the aesthetics of your phone without being so bulky and all that other stuff. Like, I guess this is about the same thing. Yeah, it pretty much is. So I'm looking forward though to getting the protection I need with this case with my Note 20 Ultra. And for some reason it doesn't seem like it fits though. I hope this is for the Ultra. Let's see. Nope, Galaxy Note 20. This is not for the Ultra. So I'm gonna have to return this, because it's not gonna fit. But that just lets you know what's available to you. All right, so also we have our InvisiShield Glass Fusion. I'm definitely gonna need that. I'm gonna protect all of this glass that you got on the front of your phone. As you can see, it's not glass like the previous models is. And if you're unfamiliar with the glass background of the Note series, I give you a quick look right here. This is the Note 8. And as you can see right here, this baby is packed with glass on the inside. Daddy. So as you can see right here, let's see. This is what you call a glass back. This is glass. All right, you drop this, this is gonna crack. Now this right here is plastic. I actually prefer the plastic over the glass. I mean, why have the unnecessary additional weight as well as more fragile material, which could easily break. But our phone should be restarted by now. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Let's see. You can unlock it with your fingerprint. All right, phone is starting up. All right, next thing I have to do is activate the device. So, but hey guys, I mean, it's gonna take me a little bit more time, you know, to get to know the phone, but all in all, it appears to be a much better device. It seems to be a lot quicker. The color is amazing. I mean, the responsiveness of the screen, so much better than what I'm used to. I mean, it's very snappy. So I'm looking forward to getting to know this device. Just wanted to share everything with you. As you can see, my hands are all shiny, moist and everything. It does that, man, it does that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, the review. We're gonna go ahead and start wrapping it up from here. So again, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. This is your boy, C-Spec Kurt. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Other than that, peace.
Peace.
Yeah, this is the Note 20 Ultra.
Daddy,